Dating noon at dating ngayon. Pag-usapan natin yan. Tara, let's start! Dating in the 90s, that was real. That was spiritual. That was patience level Goku. You had to wait 3 days just to hear, "Hi, kumusta ka na?" Ngayon, 1 minute late ka lang mag-reply. Sin zone ka na. Back in the day, kung gusto mong makipag-usap sa crush mo, you had to call the landline and pray. Pray na hindi tatay niyo yung sumagot. Kung hindi, lagot.
Hello? Sino hinahanap mo? Si Jenny po. Kaklase ko po siya sa CLE.
Back then, hindi mo siya ina-add sa IG. You wrote a letter with scented paper pa, bro. At may kasama pang mixtape na nirecord mo sa radyo. Track 1, Always Be My Baby by Mariah Carey na may halong boses ng DJ. Track 2, I'll Make Love to You by Boyz II Men na may kahul ng aso. Track 3, para malaman niyang seryoso ka, yung kanta ng Aegis, Basang-basa sa ulan. Heto ako, basang-basa sa ulan. Ngayon, mag-senda lang ng playlist sa Spotify, WAP by Nicki Minaj. Ikaw na pala mag-interpret nun. Dati, kung gusto nyo magkita, you plan it 1 week in advance. Kita tayo, 2 p.m. sa Jollibee, sa tabi ng mascot. Pag hindi siya pumunta, that was heartbreak. That was rom-com trauma. Walang update, walang text. Kaya lang ng Chicken Joy habang umiiyak. Eto pa, dati, you don't get ghosted. You get formally dumped in person with eye contact. Mahal kita, pero may mahal na akong iba. Boom! Then your soul left your body. Walang black button dati. Only Gary V songs habang umiiyak ka. Paano ang puso kong ito? Ang masaklap pa dun kung kaklase mo pa siya. Araw-araw mo siyang makikita. Ngayon, ang maririnig mo na lang, crickets, wala na, ghost na. Take me back to the 90s, bro. Where love had effort, where heartbreak had a side B of a cassette tape, and when seen actually meant seeing eye to eye. Kids today, they would never understand the fear of calling a landline and sasagutin ng tatay. Peace out.